I go on a lot of trips in my Tesla and I'm able to check the tire pressure from my app, which is awesome. But what if your tire pressure is a little bit low? Now, mine is nominal right now, so I can't really show it to you, but I always keep a portable tire inflator in my car. The only problem with that is it's pretty big, and typically with tires, when you go up or down in elevation, you only need to either release a little bit of air or fill it up a little bit more. So I don't need like a huge pump sitting in my car, especially when I'm usually never gonna have to use it. It's more so for emergencies or slim use cases. But if you got a flat tire, low pressure, no problem. I've got just the thing to save the day. And it's this portable tire inflator with a pressure gauge in it. This little guy should be good enough. First off, let's talk about the battery on it. It is really small. In fact, actually, before we talk about the battery, let's open it. Simple packaging. Oh, of course I would be the one to rip it. That's just me. All right, so we get an instruction manual, which I'm not gonna read. Yeah, I'm not gonna read it. Now, there's a few other things that we get in the box. First off is this carrying case. So you can put it in here, and look at how small this carrying case is. It's like the size of my face. So you already know that the actual unit itself is gonna be pretty small. Okay, so you got this, and I'm assuming that's some kind of nozzle attachment. If you want to power it with a cord, you can, but remember, it also has a battery in it. And we'll talk about that in a second. We have an extra fuse and some nozzle attachments as well, and a USB-A to USB-C cable so that you could easily recharge it from your car. In my case, my Tesla. And then the actual unit itself. So let's pull this bad boy out. And this is pretty much what it looks like. Here it is, boys. All right, ready for the peel? You ready? Wait, I should put it close to the mic. Ready? This is it. This is the air pump, and it's smaller than my face. My face is pretty small. Okay, you want a size comparison? This is my Samsung Galaxy S23, just the basic model, and here it is next to it. It's basically, my phone is actually a little bit wider. You can kind of see it, like on the outside here. It's just slightly wider, slightly taller than my phone. Yes, that's a Burt Bees sticker on my phone, in case you were wondering. But anyways, yeah, slightly taller than my phone. Otherwise, it's pretty compact. And this is the thickness of it. I like it. It's also pretty lightweight. Like, I could really hold it with a pinky. It's pretty lightweight. Turning it on, I bet just a press and hold. It is a press and hold, and it's on. That is the screen. It's pretty easy to see. All right, let's see some features. So I think it has a flashlight on it. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, so it's got like flash, got strobing, and it's good. What does the C do? Okay, there's a little C on it, and oh, that changes the different modes that you can go through. And you can save the PSI per mode. Then you can increase, and then, okay, I'm assuming that pressing the power button is gonna start it. Also, I think I found out what this attachment is. So this is the attachment that goes into here. It's a little screw hole at the very top, and you're essentially just going to want to screw it in. Cool, and then from there, this would go into your tire. Once it goes into your tire, I'm assuming you just press to start it. Okay, we're gonna change it to the car mode, and I'm gonna set it to 42 PSI, and we're just gonna press start. And that's the pump. Okay, so you just press it once and it starts, and you can see the full battery life on the left-hand side. So that's pretty cool. And then I'm guessing a press and hold is going to, yep, turn it off. Perfect. Anyways, back to what I was saying before we had to unbox it. Let's talk about the battery. So the battery is a 4,500 milliamp hour battery. That's not just numbers. It means you can top off all the tires on your car without having to recharge this. And it's got a lithium ion battery in it and the battery indicator once you turn it on. So there's no more, I charged it last week, why is it not charged now? It'll just be charged. We covered it a little bit in the unboxing, but let's check out this massive screen. It's like having a mini control center, real-time tire pressure, preset values, and automatic shutoff to avoid overinflating and turning your tire into a balloon. Cause I've had a tire, it was a bike tire, but I've had a bike tire blow up on me before, and it was not fun. You have 4 settings, different adapters as well. So remember the adapters that came with the kit. You have car tires, bikes, sport balls, you name it. This thing has got it. And yes, it even has a manual mode if you're feeling adventurous and you don't want to have the safety that this thing does provide. Inflating is super easy. All you're gonna wanna do is plug it in, set the pressure, and let it do its thing. It will magically inflate your tire. Late night emergency, can't see on the road, or you just want a flashlight. Remember, it's got an LED module built in, so you can see what you're doing in the dark. I get it. The use case for this might be very, very slim, but you know what's not is having to charge your phone. My phone dies all the time. Do you need to charge this while you're inflating your tire? Maybe. Even if it's not while inflating your tire, this thing has you covered. Because if you wanted to, you could take this nozzle off and it acts as a portable power bank. At the very top, you have a USB-A and USB-C that can go out to your phone. So there you have it, a powerful multifunctional tire inflator that will get you back on the road fast, and it can be compact while doing it. I'll have this in the description below, so make sure you at least go check it out. I think this is definitely a must-have for your car. I'm about 1,000 miles away from home. I'm in Canada right now. So how about you grab yours today and let your personal adventures begin? Worry-free, that's a big one. Worry-free. If you drive a lot, you don't wanna be stranded on the side of the road or looking for a gas station that might have a tire inflator station. I've been to gas stations that you need coins to inflate your tire. I don't know about you, I don't carry coins, but you can carry this. It takes up very minimal room and peace of mind.